Welcome back. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to allow push notification on your browser. Based on the type of browser you might be using, these steps might vary. I will try my best to cover the topmost popular browsers that are out there. But the first step is to allow notification. Click on allow over here. Now, as simple as that, notification have been allowed. But if you are on a browser where you have already blocked notification, this is what you might do. You will click up here. Notification was already blocked, as you can see on my screen. Click on reset, or you can click on allow by turning on this button. Any which way, once you click on allow or reset, you reload the page, you should be able to enable notification. The notification pop-up should come up now. Then you click on allow. Now this is for Chrome. I'll be covering another browser right now. Let's go to Firefox. Here on Firefox, notification have already been blocked. So same thing, click on this icon. Notification has already been blocked. What you want to do now is to cancel this. Permission has been reset. Reload the page to allow notification. Click on enable, then you click on allow. Simple as that. Notification has been allowed. Same thing applicable to Opera. On the Opera browser, notification has already been blocked. To enable notification, you go to this top corner of this page, click on that. You can see notification was blocked. You can reset permission, then you reload the page, click on allow notification. Simple as that. Same thing applicable to Edge. Edge is a bit different. Microsoft Edge browser, when you click on enable notification, their pop-up doesn't come up here. Instead, their pop-up icon is here on the left hand side, and as you can see, notification has already been blocked automatically. So what you want to do is to click on the bell icon by your left, then you allow. Now next step, now we are going to be covering this on phones. All these browsers will also cover them on phones, on how to allow notification on your mobile phone. So if you like this video tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be covering right now, so let's switch to mobile so I can show you how you can allow notification on your mobile phone. Okay, first of all, I'll be showing you how to allow notification on your mobile device. And right now the browser I am on is the Edge browser from a mobile phone. So if you're on a landing page like this where you are asked to allow notification, once you click on the enable notification button, you can see notification is blocked. What you want to do is to click on that settings. Let's do that again. Click on the settings icon right here, that settings icon. As you click on it, you allow notification to continue. That has been done. Now we'll be trying this again in a different browser. We're now on Firefox. The situation might vary based on your browser, so still on mobile on Firefox, click on enable notification. You can see the pop-up comes up. If peradventure you clicked on never, the step to resolve that is by clicking over here. As you can see, this pops up, comes up. You will not see the option of notification blocked over there. You click on that and it will change automatically to allow. Then what you will do is to reload the page again and enable the notification. Click on allow always. That has been done to that particular browser. Let's go to another browser. We are now on Opera Mini. Now from Opera Mini, the same thing is applicable. Click on enable notification. If no pop-up comes up, just like I have observed, it's basically because maybe notification is not allowed for the browser. You might copy the link in the URL box, go to another browser which you have allowed notification on, and continue. But if not, enable notification for the browser. Now from the browser settings, now you can click on notification permission over here. It's set to no. Click on it. Show notifications is now enabled. Go back to the browser to continue. Click on allow notification. If no notification pops up, come up after clicking on it. I think for Opera, there is no way to resolve this on mobile. If you're using Opera on your mobile, please switch to another web browser by copying the link in the browser. Copy the link from the browser and paste on another browser on your mobile device to continue, as push notification is having much issue on Opera. You can go to a browser like Chrome. We are now on the Chrome browser. To enable notification, just the same way, click on enable notification. A pop-up should come up. And simple as that. I've enabled notification. For any reason notification is blocked, same thing, you click here to enable the notification on Chrome. I think that is all for this tutorial. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more contents like this one. See you in the next video. Please like, subscribe. That will cost you nothing, and that will really help this channel and this content gets to other people who are interested in this type of content. Thanks a lot for your support.